I'm Ian and welcome to Groom Family Farm. In today's video, we're going to be baling our first ever hay with the old New Holland 268 baler that we totally redid. It's going to be exciting, so make sure to like and subscribe, and let's get on with today's video. We got the baler all hooked up. Dad just dropped the pickup down. The PTO's hooked up. Vernon helped us with the twine. The twine box cover did fall off, so it can stay off. And now we're going to pull it out and offset it to the side, and then we'll start baling. Got it all kicked out to the side, and we're going over to get it turned on for the first time and see if it works or doesn't. Let's see. Woohoo! It's running! Oh, we're baling hay! We're baling hay! And that doesn't look good. Oh yeah. Oh, she's all clogged up. Oh, it's working. So far, so good. Oh yeah. All that work paid off. Oh wait. Okay, here's take two. See if it works. It started good. Rev her up. And I'll go through. Yeah! Let's see if the bananas are working. Seems to be. Third time's a charm. How are bananas gonna work this time? Where? Did it tie it? The first bale. There it is. So now we just ended up trying again to get the baler to tie, doing slight adjustments, and it wasn't working. So we got more help. Pat came to help. Thank you for coming to help. And then we tried help, and it seems to be working okay. Next time, I guess it worked. Maybe. I hope so. Or maybe not. Now we worked on it and did different things with it, and we couldn't get the baler to tie. It was just that one side that wouldn't tie a knot. So we ended up just parking it for the night, and then the next day it rained. And when your hay gets rained on, you can't bale it because the bales will burn if they're wet, and you don't want wet hay. And when it does rain on it, sometimes you do lose a percentage of the hay. So what we ended up doing is Thursday we went and we turned the rows over with the rake to let them dry out and fluff them all up. So then the rows would be dry, so we could bale them and we would have good hay. So after that, we still didn't have the one side that was tying, and we needed to figure that out. So we called Scott Sampson, and he came and he took all the knotters apart, cleaned them, and looked in all the spots, and he got it all working to where both sides would tie. So then that day, we started to bale, and it ended up working pretty good. Now we got the baler working. We got bales on the ground. This Alvin, that's you. Oh, this is long. Yeah. Okay, just leave it.
Break it in the next row, yeah?
Don't break it yet.
Break it in the next row.
Shear pin, I should say, and we clogged the baler, so we got to get her all working. Whew, I'm out of breath, and I only picked up 3 bales. And now we're stacking them on the trailer. I don't have much battery life left, so I probably won't film much of it. Baler plugged, so now we're trying to get this unplugged. So now we got to get it unplugged and keep on going, but it's working great, and we got nice tied bales. To sprinkle, and when it starts to rain you have to get your hay in like really quick, so we had to pack everything up, stop baling, and we only had about 40% of the field baled at that time. So then we got in the truck and we all left. We strapped the bales down. All we had for hay was about 65 bales, I think, on. So then we went and we took it all home. We unloaded it as quick as we could get it off so it didn't get rained on. And then we just waited it out until the rain. Now Dad's getting the tractor going. We're going to get going and bale the rest of the hay that didn't get baled from the last day that we baled. Now on to the next bale. Got to the fire hall and we unloaded. Now we're heading back to the field with our first load of hay. So we counted and now we have 112 bales in total in there. So we still have all the lower half of the field where the thickest hay was and the most hay was. So we're gonna go back and keep on baling, but first we have to fix the pickup wheel on the baler because that is too low, and we need to raise it because the teeth are hitting the ground and getting all stuck in the ground, and then it won't pick up the hay. So we're gonna go down and get our last load baled and then head home and unload. Back at the field, and Dad's gonna go and adjust the wheel on the baler, and then me and Alvin are gonna go pick up the last few bales that we couldn't fit on the trailer, from the last load. What Dad's gotta do is take out that bolt there, which is right there on the end too.
If I have a big enough socket.
If he's got a big enough socket, and then put the wheel up one so the teeth are out more, because right now they're hitting the ground and they're right hot. Too small?
Adjustable.
So we didn't have the right size socket to fit on the bolt on the baler, so we're just gonna have to run it like that, and now we're picking up bales. Now I'm riding on the trailer to the next bale. Or something in there isn't working quite right, so we had to take our pickup guard off to get inside and see. So the baler ended up not working. The track that the pickup runs on is all busted. It wore itself right down, and one of the wheels on the track came off. I will show the part where it broke, and we can't get that back on without having to take it all apart, take the pickup out, and then put it all back together, and then reinforce the metal. So we're gonna have to say that this is the end of hay, so we'll come home, unload that, and I'll talk about all the bales that we got out of it, and the rain, and how we had to flip. Now we have all our hay in here, all the hay that we worked hard for and we kept dry mostly. So now we got it all in and we don't have to worry about it getting rained on anymore. So that's going to be the end of the video, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.